Now we're gonna make some spiral wraps. This is a great appetizer. I've got 8 ounces of cream cheese already in my mixer, and I'm gonna add some wild trees, red bell pepper, and garlic blend. Just added a little water so it will hydrate. Now I'm gonna mix it up on my mixer. Whoa, look at that go, round and round. Where she stops, nobody knows. Oh, are we done? A little bit more. Now we're done. Just lower this back down. And I'm gonna take the blend over here. This will help me make my wrap. It's Christmassy time coming up, so it's gonna be green and red. That's why I picked the red bell pepper. So let's get started. I'm gonna take this and just spoon some of this right on this wrap. Man, I think my arm's breaking, a lot of work here. Then I've gotta just spread this right out. Fill this up with this wonderful blend. It's actually good on crackers too. So if you're really lazy and don't want to impress anybody, you can just do crackers. Then I'm going to take some lean deli turkey. Ooh, a healthy snack to boot. If you use no-fat cream cheese, it's even healthier. Got a spinach wrap, what next? And the turkey. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to roll it up. My next step is easy. Another swig of wine. To you and to me. Then I'm going to cut in little bite-sized swirls. Right side, wrong side. I just got these knives. Look out now. Look at that. You think you could do these any quicker? Look at the looks of those. And then just put it on a serving platter, like this, with a little bow in the middle. Bon appetit. See you at the next party.